So enter your second mark. Next double. Your second mark is so your total marks. Total marks. Save the file. Just compile it. So I'm going to enter 90.00. Enter a second mark 89.90. Okay, na? Got it? So this is how we are going to using the scanner. You can enter any type of data. So next int, sir, can we use? You told me the next na. Can we try to get the next line for these string values? Yes, we'll try with that. So now we'll try with the next line also. Can you all try with next line tomorrow? Write a program to concatenate two strings using print line, next line. Can you all try tomorrow? Write a program to concatenate two strings using next line function. You try to write, okay?
Okay.
So now we'll see the next one is, so these are all the user inputs now. Next, once the next is over the inputs, now we'll go with the keywords. What are the keywords present in Java? What are the keywords present in the Java? Example 3, that's this example 3, right? Next, keywords in Java. What are the keywords present in Java? What is a keyword? The word which is predefined in the library is called keywords. What do you mean by library? Inbuilt functions. These are all inbuilt functions. These are called predefined or inbuilt or keywords. All these are all same. Whenever they ask, can you explain what you mean by predefined and user defined? Can anybody tell me what is the difference between predefined and user defined?
Predefined means already existed in the library. User defined, we are creating that.
Yes, user is declaring the variables or functions or methods is user defined. So predefined or keywords or system defined or inbuilt variables or inbuilt functions which are going to get from the library functions. Now the variables, next keywords, keywords cannot be used as a variable or function name, comma, class name as an variable or identifier. Now what is the meaning of this? We cannot declare this keyword as a variable declaration or a function name or a class name. Example. For example, I mentioned class. Can I declare class again? Can we declare the class again? No. Since the class is a keyword. Again, we cannot assign the keyword there. Okay, na? So this is invalid declaration. Similarly, first one, this is first. Second one, if I declare like public void, can I declare like this? Can we declare like this? No. Since void is a
Keyword.
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 Again, can we declare void? No, we cannot declare. So this is as invalid declaration. Invalid function declaration. Function name declaration. Above is invalid class name declaration. Class name declaration. Now, third one is we cannot declare them as a variable. Int x equal to, actually we'll declare like this. I'm going to declare int equal to 10. Can we declare like this? No, since int is a data type as well as a keyword, and this cannot be declared as a variable for assigning any value. So this is a invalid declaration variable for assigning a value, assigning the values. So these are the different. So these example for this thing. Next, some of the keywords are, now can anybody tell me what are the keywords?
Int, double,
Ah,
float, char,
ah. Okay, int, character, public, static, private, try, catch, block, next float, double, string, for loop, while loop, do while, next switch, static, void, we all declared static, already declared. Next, if else, okay na? If else, got it? Got it. Break, continue, import, super, new, instance of a new, return, new, return, next this, throws is also there, throws, float, constant. Next we can go for extends, next boolean, byte, abstract is a next, abstract, next instance, okay, instance. All these will comes under as a list of keywords in Java, list of keywords in Java. Okay na? So these are all the keywords. So whenever you declare it, we cannot use them as a variable declaration, So now we can use this only for assigning any value. So whatever value we are going to assign to the variable, we can use them as a declaration, method class name, method name as variable declaration. That's all. But we cannot use them for assigning values. Cannot use them as a assigning values. So these are called keywords in now. Next, what do you mean by constant in Java? What is in a constants in Java? Constants in Java. Before that, we'll write some programs. I'll show you. I'll give some tasks to you. You try to work on the programs. So most of the people, even they don't know the Java programming, some people will know how to write the C++ programming, right? So you all know other programming language, right? Do you know? Yes.
Yes.
Now, write a program. First one is write a program to check whether the given character is uppercase or lowercase. So you all try this. Okay. First one. Program 1. Tasks. Task 1. Write a program to check whether the given alphabet is upper or lower. Upper or lower. Can anybody tell me what is the syntax? How do you write this program? Do you all know what you mean by ASCII characters? I'll give hint. You try to work on this. Hint is we need to use ASCII characters. ASCII for capital A equal to 65. ASCII for capital B equal to 66. ASCII for capital C 67. Using this, you can you try? Can we try?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So how do you write the program? Can anybody tell me? How to write the program for this? Okay. I'm going to create a variable scanner, and under that scanner, I'm going to create character C. I declared a variable called character C. Now, first it will ask you system.out.println, enter any alphabet. Okay, na? Enter any alphabet. Any alphabet. That okay, I entering. Now, when you come to this function, we need to write as sc dot next dot character at index. Depending upon the index value, you can check it. Okay, index value. So next. Now I'm going to declare this as ch, right? C equal to. Now, up to this part is okay. So what is variable? Character C, right? Now, I don't want to have these things, right? Now, can anybody tell me what is the next one? What you can do? What we can do? Now I'm going to check if character is greater than or equal to 65. What is the character 65? A. ASCII code for 65 is A, right? And character is less than or equal to 90, then in that case, we can write system.out.println uppercase. If you are giving 64, 65, 66, 67, then it will automatically, depending upon the index value, that will be displayed as uppercase. If you have mentioned 91, 92, 93, then automatically it will be displayed in the lowercase. Those are okay. Those are all lower cases. So now, else I can write one more condition as system.out.println lowercase, semicolon, and here also semicolon. Now don't need to worry about that. Anyway, I'll tell you the conditions, if conditions also, just for programming it. I'm showing that. So what I declared here, what is the error we are getting out? Anybody tell me? What is error?
You need to do character CHAR.
C.
No, it's C, not CHR.
We should give
Right?
C.
C. I need to mention C, not CH. Character is a string, madam. C is a variable, madam. Okay. So we need to mention instead of CH, we need to mention C value. Okay, na? That's all. Any other issues? Now, save the file. Now I'm going to compile it. So first it will ask you enter any alphabet. For example, if I entered 65, I'm going to enter. Why it is showing? Why it's showing 25? Lowercase, 65 lowercase.
Greater than 65.
Greater than.
But there is equals to 1.
Is equal to అని కాదు మేడం. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనము ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఇవ్వ బదులు we are given the value, madam. We should not give the value, right? We need to give the alphabetical order. We need to give capital A above 65, right? If I give B, capital B, uppercase. For example, if I give small c, okay na? It will ask a value 65, 66 అనేది we need to convert that capital A into 65. Automatically it will convert it. Okay. We can't give the value 65, 66. We can't give that. We can give only characters. We can give only the characters. See, if I entered small d, lowercase. So can we try with values? Okay, we'll try with values. You are saying that. Okay. If I entered 91, 91 is why it's showing lowercase? 87. Still showing the lowercase only. Why it is not showing uppercase?
Because he has given enter an alphabet.
Yes, here what we have done? We have done as enter the characters, not the values. Not the values. So we need to enter, see what it is showing. Index value it is asking. Index value A. It will give the value. Okay. See, if I give capital U, for example, if I give capital U, uppercase. If I give small u, lowercase. Okay na? So based upon the ASCII code, we can check whether the given alphabet is lowercase or uppercase. Lowercase or uppercase. Now write a program to print the area of this circle. Write a program to print the area of this circle. Anybody? How to write the program? Anybody? How to write the program? Write a program to print area of the circle. Using scanner. Using scanner function. How to write? Anybody? Tell me. How to write the program? Area
We
of the
should
circle
take radius.
pi r square, right? Pi r square. Okay na? So what we need to do? We need to declare the variable for radius. We need to assign the values for radius. And here we are using the decimal values. 3.14 is the decimal value. So pi is the decimal value. Again, radius also should be converted into the float only. And the area also should be in float value. So all are declaring as a double value. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to declare scanner, and after that, so how to write? Anybody tell me? Write a program to print the area of the circle using scanner. Double area radius. Okay na? Radius. I declared two variables. Semicolon. Now system.out.println, enter the radius. Enter the radius. Next. Now what I can do? Next, tell me. Area equal to 3.14 F star R.
R into R.
So we'll write as instead of radius, we'll make a R, madam. So R into R, semicolon. So why it is showing an error here? Why it is showing error?
Print the area.
If I assign the value here, automatically 0. For example, if I give, I don't want to use any scanner. I'm giving R equal to 10. So 3.14 into 10 into 10. Okay, na? 10 into 10. Automatically will get. So system.out.println area. I'm not using any area of the circle plus area. Now I don't want to use this scanner function. Just okay. Just without using scanner, I'll try first of all. Then we'll go with scanner. So just I'm going to put as a comment. Okay. If I compile it, so what are you getting out? Is it correct? Yes. Now can we use the using scanner? Can I use using scanner? Scanner is equal to new scanner. Now I'm going to declare system.out.println, enter the radius. Enter the radius. So I don't want to assign any values here. Now R equal to SC dot next double. Next double. Right? Is it correct? Enter the radius. I'm going to give 12.0. Okay, na? 12.0 into 12 into 12, 144. 144 into 3.14. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we are going to use using scanner function. Write a program to print the area of the circle using scanner. Okay. So I'll send some tasks to you, some programs just to write down tomorrow. We'll discuss it. Okay. Any doubts? What is the difference between local variable and global variable?
The variable which is declared in the class is called local, which can
Ah.
be called in different methods.
Okay.
That is global. The variables which are declared in the methods are called local variables. We cannot use in another method. That variables are not used in another method.
That is a private. Yes. That is a private. Okay. Na? Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow at the same times. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Balkrishna.
Thank you.
Balkrishna.